Heart-healthy diet tips. Looking to prevent heart disease and improve your cardiovascular health? Learn which foods are the healthiest for your heart. What is a heart-healthy diet? According to the American Heart Association, heart disease is the leading cause of death for both men and women. Being diagnosed can have an emotional impact, and it can also affect your mood and quality of life. Being aware of your diet can help lower your heart disease and stroke risk. A heart-healthy diet is about making the most of your food, and it's built around real, whole food. This type of diet eliminates processed and refined food, and it's made with fresh, local produce. Having a heart-healthy diet can help lower your heart disease and stroke risk. It can also help manage high blood pressure and cholesterol. Also, having a heart-healthy diet can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also improve your cardiovascular health. 3 keys to a heart-healthy diet. 1. Be smart about fats. If you're worried about your heart health, replacing some of the fat in your diet with good fats can help. Artificial trans fats are known to raise your LDL cholesterol and put you at increased risk for heart disease and stroke. Although they're technically banned in most countries, it's still important to check the ingredients in your food to make sure they're trans fat-free. Saturated fats are mainly found in dairy products and red meat, and they should only be consumed in a small amount each day. Good fats are also beneficial for your heart health, and they can lower blood cholesterol levels. Try to eat a wide variety of healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, and fish. 2. Don't replace fat with sugar or refined carbs. When it comes to replacing saturated fats, try to find healthy alternatives. Animal fats are great for improving your health, but they won't lower your risk of heart disease. Your body doesn't need added sugar to function properly, and refined carbohydrates and processed food are full of empty calories. Instead of processed and refined food, try to get rid of all of your sugar-filled snacks and drinks by replacing them with whole grains. 3. Focus on high-fiber food. A high-fiber diet can help lower cholesterol and improve your heart health, and it can also help you lose weight. It can also help you feel full longer, which can help you eat less. Also, fiber helps move fat through the digestive system quicker, which can improve your energy levels. Insoluble fiber is found in whole grains, wheat cereals, and vegetables such as carrots, celery, and tomatoes. Soluble fiber sources include barley, oatmeal, beans, nuts, and fruits such as apples, berries, citrus fruits, and pears. Steer clear of salt and processed foods. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Getting too much sodium can contribute to this condition. Most of the salt that you eat comes from processed and canned food, such as soup and frozen dinners. Try to limit the amount of sodium in your diet by eating fresh, whole food. Use spices for flavor instead of salt. Cooking for yourself can help you control your salt intake. Try incorporating spices into your cooking to create different flavors. When it comes to choosing a food substitute, look for products that are labeled as low sodium or unsalted. Doing so can also help lower your salt intake. Rekindle home cooking. Unfortunately, it's very hard to follow a heart-healthy diet when you're eating out a lot and eating processed food. These meals' large portions and high sodium content can make it hard to maintain a healthy diet. Making heart-healthy meals is relatively easy and can be done in less time than you might think. You don't have to be an expert cook to make these meals. Instead of just focusing on making healthy meals, try incorporating the whole family into the process. Doing so can help the kids feel like they're contributing to the kitchen. If you hate the idea of cooking, try making it fun by singing along to your favorite songs while you're in the kitchen. Make sure that you have the necessary ingredients in the pantry to prepare healthy food for a quick snack or a meal. When you come home from the grocery store, store these vegetables and fruits in the refrigerator. Aside from choosing healthy ingredients, it's also important to prepare these dishes in healthy ways. By using these simple techniques, you can reduce your food's salt content and still taste great. Make a habit of cooking twice a week and preparing healthy meals for the whole week. You can also freeze these meals in batches and reheat them later in the week. Control portion size and your weight. Carrying excess weight can cause high blood pressure, which can then lead to heart disease. Being able to control portion sizes is a crucial step in losing weight. A serving size is a specific portion of food that's defined by common measurements such as cups, spoons, and pieces. It's important to remember that a healthy serving size is typically smaller than the serving size of most processed food. Once you have a better idea of the serving size of your food, you can then estimate it using common objects such as the size of a ball or a plate of meat. If you're still hungry at the end of a meal, fill up on extra servings of vegetables or fruit. Don't eat at restaurants that have too many portions. Instead, order an appetizer instead of an entree, split an entree with a friend, and take half your meal home. Look at labels. In the US, look for foods displaying the American Heart Association's heart check mark to spot heart-healthy foods that meet the American Heart Association's criteria for fat and cholesterol.